how to set whether to show the notifications that appear in the status bar here or limit it to a few of them or just don't show them at all. Okay, this is the Galaxy A55 smartphone and let's get started. To make changes to these settings, use the quick panel access, tap on the settings icon right here. And once you're here now, you want to go to where it says notifications. You'll see notifications, you'll see status bar. As you tap on that, that's going to take you right here. Now, once you are in the notifications section here, you're going to see all these options. You'll go to where it says advanced settings. As you enter here, you'll see the status bar section right there. You'll see show notification icons, and this is referring to these right there. When you tap here, you have the option to show all notifications. And even if you set it to all notifications, you are going to be limited to at least 4 or 5 icons there. 3 most recent will appear here, just 3 of them. And if you want it to just appear as numbers, you can do that. You'll see how it appears as a number there. And if you don't want any of that showing on your screen, you can just go with none. All right. And you can also come back and change these at any given time, like it's up.